Scientists finally discovered a new way to travel faster than light. Scientists have discovered a new way to travel faster than light, a feat that was once thought to be impossible according to Einstein's theory of relativity. This groundbreaking discovery opens up new possibilities for space exploration, interstellar communication, and even time travel. The new method of faster-than-light travel is based on the concept of warp drive, a term popularized by science fiction, but also studied by some physicists for decades. The idea is to create a bubble of spacetime around a spaceship and manipulate the spacetime continuum to allow the ship to move faster than the speed of light without violating the laws of physics. However, until now, no one had found a way to create a stable and controllable warp field. The breakthrough came from a team of physicists at the CERN laboratory in Switzerland, who have been experimenting with a new kind of particle accelerator called the Large Hadron Collider, LHC. The LHC, which uses superconducting magnets to accelerate subatomic particles to nearly the speed of light, generates massive amounts of energy and creates intense gravitational fields that can bend and warp spacetime. The scientists at CERN used the LHC to create a tiny but stable warp field around a particle of light, also known as a photon. The field, which lasted for a fraction of a second, allowed the photon to travel 10 meters, 33 feet, in a split second, faster than it would normally travel in the same amount of time. While the distance and duration may seem small, the implications are huge, as they demonstrate the feasibility of warp drive in principle. The next step for the scientists is to scale up the experiment and apply it to larger objects, such as spacecraft. They will also need to address the technical challenges of generating and controlling a warp field on a much larger scale, such as avoiding collisions with other objects in space and minimizing energy consumption. However, the fact that the concept of warp drive has been proven to work on a small scale is a major milestone in physics and space exploration. The potential applications of faster-than-light travel are numerous and exciting. With warp drive, spacecraft could reach distant planets and stars within a reasonable time frame, opening up new avenues for exploration and colonization. Interstellar communication could also be greatly improved, as messages could be sent and received at faster-than-light speeds. The prospect of time travel, while still purely theoretical, also becomes more plausible with the existence of warp drive, as it would allow for faster-than-light travel into the past or future.